Hello, good morning, dear student. Myself, Jitendra Chaudhary, and today I'll teach you a second chapter of biology, nutrition, and animals. We have studied in the previous chapter that plants can make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. But how can animals can take their own food? So in this chapter we learn about how can animals can take their own food. So first of all, animals obtain their food from plants or from other animals which eat plants. Some animals, however, eat both plants as well as animal food. अगर ह्यूमन बींग की बात करें, so we obtain food like wheat, rice, pulses, fruits, and vegetables from the plants. And foods like milk, curd, cheese, and eggs are obtained from the animal. So, first of all, what do you mean nutrition? So, nutrition is the process of intake of food and its utilization in the body. It means nutrition is the process intake of food, यानी फूड लेना एंड इट्स यूटिलाइजेशन इन द बॉडी. बॉडी के अंदर कैसे उस फूड का यूटिलाइजेशन होना. दिस इज द न्यूट्रिशन. बेसिकली हाउ देयर आर 5 steps of nutrition in animals. Ingestion. There are 5 steps of nutrition in animals. Ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. हम इनके बारे में देखेंगे कि ये होते क्या एक्चुअली. ये 5 स्टेप्स हैं आपके. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, व्हाट डू यू मीन इंजेक्शन? इंजेक्शन का मीनिंग होता है द प्रोसेस ऑफ इनटेक ऑफ फूड इज कॉल्ड इंजेक्शन. इंजेक्शन मीन्स द प्रोसेस ऑफ इनटेक ऑफ फूड इज कॉल्ड इंजेक्शन. तो है ना, फूड लेना, इट मीन्स फ्रॉम द माउथ. Take of food. This is the ingestion. The second step is here digestion. Digestion means, first of all, the food we eat is not utilized in the same form as it has been ingested in. It means जैसा food आपने लिया है ऐसा ही वो same food आपका utilize नहीं होगा. It means उस food को क्या होना पड़ेगा? Digest. It means it is broken down into smaller and simpler compound through the process of डाइजेशन. तो डाइजेशन की प्रोसेस कैसे कंप्लीट होगी, या व्हाट डू यू मीन डाइजेशन? द प्रोसेस ऑफ इनटेक इज कॉल्ड इंजेक्शन. एंड सेकंड, डाइजेशन प्रोसेस ऑफ ब्रेकिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स फूड इनटू सिंपल एंड सॉल्युबल सब्सटेंसेस. इट मीन जो फूड के लार्ज मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं, दे विल कन्वर्ट इनटू अ सिंपलर मॉलिक्यूल and soluble substances. So your third step is here absorption. Absorption means when the digested food, your soluble food, is broken down, so simpler compounds are absorbed by the blood and transported to different parts of the body, obtain the nutrition required. So how can we define the absorption? The process of passing a soluble form of food into body fluid. It means जैसे ही आपका food digest होता है, so it can be absorbed by the small intestine wall. It means ये food कहाँ जाएगा? It means absorbed by the wall of intestine, small intestine, and goes through in your body by the blood. The fourth step is nutrition is here assimilation. What do you mean assimilation? Assimilation का simple meaning होता है utilization. So process of utilizing the absorbed nutrients for energy, for growth and development by body is called assimilation. So how can we define assimilation? Is here process of utilizations of nutrients in the food by the cells of the body. यानी आपके बॉडी के अंदर जितने भी सेल्स हैं, they are utilize the nutrients which are found in the food. The last steps here, egestion. Egestion means during the process of digestion, some part of food that is not utilized, it means it remains indigestible. So these indigestible materials are expelled from the body along with some water in the form of feces through the process of egestion. So how can we define the egestion? Expulsion of waste from the body. So it's sufficient for today, and do in your copy. Thank you, class.